Instead of paying off the loan early, pay it down quickly. Let's say that you're at 48 months. I would pay that loan down to $50. Then, so I'd just send in the money. I wouldn't say anything to them. I wouldn't talk to them. Definitely do not write principal only. Cannot stress that enough. Do not say anything to them. Don't ask them. Don't talk to them. Don't say anything. Just send them a check with your regular payment. Pay the loan down to $50, 50. Then set up bill pay to pay $5 a month for the next 12 months. And what happens is when you send that big check in or you send the extra payments in, it pushes the payment out further and further. So, for example, when I was paying my Jeep for the last 3 years, every week, it saved my butt because unbeknownst to me, the credit union that I bank with that has the loan on the Jeep moved. I send the check to them on Linder. They moved across the street, still on Linder, but on the south side of the intersection. So they used to be on the north side of the street. Now they're across the street on the south side. Literally, you can see the two buildings. If I was Tom Brady, I could throw a football from one parking lot and hit the bank at the other parking lot. That's how close they are. I was sending my check there. All of a sudden, I get my bill pay check in the mail and I open it up and it's my car payment. I panic thinking I missed a payment. But then I remembered, no, I can't miss the payment because I'm months ahead because I've been paying weekly and I paid it months ahead. Fortunately for me, I did do that because otherwise I would have been late because it was about a 4-week turnaround for me to mail the check to them and to come back to me through bill pay. So about 4 weeks. This happened to 3 checks before I was able to change the address. If I would not have done that and paid it ahead, I could have a late payment on my credit. Now, they would have called me to tell me I was late. And as long as I didn't ignore them, then I would have made the payment and changed it. So, but it took about 4 weeks for me to figure that out, that the checks I was sending to them were being sent back to me. And it was because the post office just refused to forward the mail. And it's the same mail person. It's just, I actually talked to my mail person about it because we have the same, I'm in the same area. And I showed her the letter. She goes, oh yeah, we as a mail person never got that. It stays in the system. And it was the computer that generated it. So she said, if I would have saw it, I would have drove my van across the street and handed it to him. But because the computer automatically did that. So just know by paying this ahead, it actually helps you out. If financially you can pay it ahead.